refreshing conversation for the mind as we stare.
Right here, you see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Is right here in the middle. So I would have to cut this off, split it, add some hair to this, add some hair to here.
Okay.
This back here. So I would give you 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's cool.
So I'm gonna cut these off.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna zhuzh them and bring them back together. You
Okay,
ready?
That's a bit.
All right.
Oh,
All right. So. It's a good thing you got somebody who knows to put this shit back. Can you imagine somebody cutting hair off
Oh,
and not
man.
putting it back on there? And so you cut into the lock so that you have wiggle room.
Both seek and hope to find real love, purified. Use your heart and not your eyes. Baby, just relax and ride.